Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Before getting into today's video, a little intro about my channel. On this channel, I give study tips for undergrad students. I am currently in Canada and have been an undergrad student for the last 4 years. As a student who is graduating soon, I have quite a bit of experience that I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, in today's topic, I'm going to give you 6 tips on why you need a study tracker. Before talking about today's video, I just want to briefly mention that I recently uploaded a video on how to ace in university biology courses, and in that video I gave some tips based on my experience that could be helpful to you. If you haven't watched it yet, please go ahead and click on the link showing up on the screen. I will also add the link in description down below so you can watch it later. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, as it helps me a lot. So yeah, that was for the previous videos, and now let's get into today's video. First of all, what is a study tracker? So for someone who does not know what a study tracker is, it is a study technique used to keep track of our study reviews. Some people call it by other names, which I'm not going to get into. Second thing is benefits. It helps in keeping track of our lecture reviews. If we don't use a tracker, we might miss our reviews. So having a study tracker keeps everything organized and keep us focused, as we always have a track of number of reviews done on every single lecture, which also results in decreasing study stress. So it helps a lot. For example, if I know I have done 2 pretty good reviews on my microbiology lecture, in that case, I know there is only 1 more review needed before I sit an exam, because I only take 3 reviews or maybe 4 if necessary. So yeah, so basically it helps a lot. Next point is, what is the best time to make a study tracker? Your study tracker should be made before the semester starts, not during the semester. In your study tracker, you should have all the courses written in it before your classes start. Next point is, make your own and not copy someone else's study tracker. There are many videos on YouTube that show different ways to make study trackers. I would suggest you should make your own and not use anyone else's study tracker, because if you use someone else's study tracker type of sample or template, it might not work for you. So in that case, you might hate this tip and won't like this at all. So yeah, basically make your own study tracker. What I would suggest is Google study trackers, and you will find tons and tons of pictures of how it's different. You will find different ideas for how to make a study tracker, and use that to create your own study tracker. I'm pretty sure you'll find great ideas. So yeah, please do that. The next point is how to use it. All you have to do is, under each and every course, write the total number of lectures. Following that, whenever you review a particular lecture, just write the date and color it if you want, but date is absolutely necessary. Yeah, basically the whole purpose is to make sure you don't miss a review, so writing the date is necessary. Next point is non-study related stuff. It can be used for many other things, like your gym schedules, work schedules, and not just for study purposes. For example, I use it for gym purpose to track my exercise, to track which exercise was done on which particular day, and how many reps did I do for a particular exercise. I use it on a monthly basis, and that way I know I'm not lifting too much or too little. So that's it for the tips on how to use a study tracker. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel. Also, subscribing channel is totally free, so please subscribe, as it helps me a lot. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.